So this is the Victron Quattro Inverter charger. It's 24 volts. That's the one I have because I have 24 volt batteries. Works great. It charges my 24 volt batteries. It takes a charge from my Solbian solar system, which is controlled by my Victron charge controllers. It hooks up to my shore power. It gives me two outputs for AC. I have a primary and a secondary. One is like microwave and outlets on the boat, and the other one is ACs mostly, a water heater maybe. And then as a generator input as well. So it charges batteries by either, if you have solar panels running, you would have a DC charge that would go directly into the batteries. So I think it goes through here. But mostly it converts battery power to alternating current. That's what it does, because there are two different types of power. Alternating current is like the current you'd have in your house when you plug in. On a boat, we store all our power on our batteries. So when we want to use something like a microwave or a motor or something that has a motor that needs alternating current, you need that type of power. So an inverter converts your DC power to that type of power, so you can use it. And that's what this does. It does a great job. It's Victron. I love Victron. I never have any problems with it. Mains on. Just means it's getting power.
Okay. That one's his bulk.
That has to do with the charging status of the battery.
Absorption.
It's probably on float now, right?
Yep.
Yes, on float. Yes, those are just different charging profiles it does for battery. It's based on the battery chemistry. But you can adjust to different battery chemistries with these too. And the batteries I have on here are lithium iron phosphate batteries. You can monitor the status of your Quattro through the Cerbo GX, just like if you hook up any of your systems to it. So you can see what status your charge is for your battery. Right now mine is float. You can see it on here too, remotely if you want, like I've gone off the boat. And as long as I have my Wi-Fi on, and I can communicate to my boat through Wi-Fi, cellular, then I can see what's going on with the electronics of the boat. So before, when we first got the boat, we only had two 8D batteries, which were lead acid batteries, and they were barely enough to keep the boat going. We didn't have solar. We didn't have any, when we first got the boat, we were on a mooring, and every day I'd have to run the generator to charge the batteries. It was very annoying. So we got solar for the boat, 945 watts, I think, of solar. We got a comparable Lithionics battery, which I love. And we got mostly Victron controllers and systems to run it, as well as the Victron Quattro Inverter charger here, the Cerbo GX. All my charge controllers for my solar panels are Victron, and I love them. I love Victron. I love it. It's a really great product. I've had no problems with it. It's reliable. It's safe. That's why I bought it.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.